I'm not completely prepared to speak about this topic in front of you, but I'll still try. Have you heard this or said it yourself while trying to speak in front of others? Either this or a similar statement. I call this underselling yourself. And in my opinion, we should never do this. You want to know why? Get ready to find out. Let's get started. Welcome to Grow with Girija, where we learn about public speaking, communication, and life. I go to supermarkets and sometimes I notice that there is a separate section where some fruits and vegetables are at huge discounted price. And I know why. Because those vegetables and fruits are not in the best condition. And the thought in my head is that I cannot expect much from these. Similar thoughts occur in the mind of your audience when you make statements like, I'm not prepared, or I did not have enough time to prepare, or I don't know much about this topic, or I'm not an expert on this topic, or I'm still learning. By saying this, you are lowering the expectation of your performance in the mind of the audience. And you don't want to do that because you don't want audience to have lower expectations from you even before you start speaking. That is about the audience. What about you? What is going in your mind when you are underselling yourself by using such statements? I'll tell you. Have you heard of insurance? I'm sure you have. Insurance is a safeguard against a future risk or failure. That is exactly what you are doing when you are underselling yourself. Why? Because the thought is that if I perform poorly, then I have a reason to put the blame on. And since you have given the reason to the audience already, you are thinking the audience will understand and then I don't have to take the responsibility of my performance. Wrong. You are still responsible for your performance, poor, bad, or otherwise. The real reason is your confidence. When you use statements like, I'm not prepared, that shows your lack of confidence. A confident speaker will always perform best to his or her ability and let the audience decide what they think about their performance. You do your job and let the audience do theirs. Next time you speak, even though you don't feel prepared, even though you don't know everything about the subject, just do the best you can. Speak with confidence and don't undersell yourself. How did you find this video? Did you find something useful? If yes, like this video and subscribe to my channel to support it. Share it with others who can benefit from this about public speaking. I'll see you in another video of Grow with Girija. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing because change is inevitable, but growth is optional.